Toombs County and Tattnall County game, and we're hoping, and all the Toombs County fans, I hope is coming out here to see that I hope we win. I really do this time.
Shaq, tell us about the surgery.
When I went to the doctor, he told me that I tore my MCL, my ACL, and my meniscus. And once he got in to do the surgery, he found out I only tore my meniscus and my MCL. So that was a relief. That took about 2 months off my recovery time, so that's a relief.
I notice it's important for you to be out here, not only during games, but also practice.
And so I still have to support my teammates. I mean, they was supporting me when I was going through this, so I'm going to still support them.
One, two. Go. Let's go. Who are we?
Toombs County.
Who are we?
Toombs County.
What time is it?
Game time.
What time is it?
Game time.
Those on three. 1, 2, 3.
Go.
Oh, your head and throat.
It's better?
Good.
Atta baby.
I don't talk to them boys that sell them benches. I was in the game on 4. Don't put me in the game on 4.
We don't fight.
We don't fight. One, two, three, go!
I'm called for the call. My mind is in control. My mind is on some speed, and I am in the lead. Don't buy into the scheme. The fight is
Middle. Boom. Go.
who's driving the train? Who's driving the plane? Who's driving the plane?
Let's go!
Very good. Zone the other way. Zone out the other way. Zone out the other way.
I'm Brody, and we're here because the Tattnall County